Best Robot Lawn Mower, Mowrator AU on this review. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review right here for the Mowrator Robot Lawn Mower. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts and special promos if you're going to buy the robot lawn mowers right here from Mowrator. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So in their website over here, we have a lot of reviews right here from customers. So first, we have one from Darlene. Just got to really test the 4WD unit. It is a beast. I love it. I'm looking forward to getting the 2 more wide wheels. This was with the wheels that came with the mower and it did great. It will be even more powerful with those wide wheels, worth every penny. We have one right here from Raphael. Mowrator makes it possible. I've been wanting to cut my own grass and now it's possible thanks to Mowrator inventors. We have another one right here from Thomas. My Mowrator arrived on Thursday 4 weeks after order. Tested it yesterday in my meadow with tall, juicy green grass. Since I didn't want to use a trailer, I bought charging rails to get the Mowrator into the trunk of my BMW. It works just fine. The mowing also worked out so well, I am satisfied with my Mowrator S1. And then lastly, we have one right here from Sebastian. He arrived, got a name and a mustache. I'm happy to mow with it. Now it's easy to mow slope areas and cut my grass, thanks to the Mowrator. So yeah, so this is what the Mowrator S1 looks like. And it also has a name right here, which is Rupert, and the mustache that the customer said. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for the review for the Mowrator. So yeah, again, there will be a special link in the description below in where you get special discounts or special promos if you're going to buy the robot lawn mowers right here from Mowrator. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.